Welcome back to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti. Today we are making seared oyster mushroom steaks with a pan roasted chunky tomato sauce.
Oh, and we're gonna do it as a sandwich, an open face sandwich.
Yeah.
Because a lot of vegans always are looking for lunch ideas, and this is a great dinner and a great lunch.
It really is, but basically we're just cooking our lunch today on camera.
I was just gonna say, it's gonna be our lunch
Yeah.
today. All right, well, it's nice and hot. Our pan's
already
going.
started.
We're just gonna stick that.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the whole chunk. If you can buy the big chunks of oyster mushrooms all ready together, do it. We're gonna do 3 just because why waste any space in the pan? And while we're in there, well, maybe we'll do it in a little bit, but let's get that pot.
Yeah.
Now I have a second pan that fits right inside, and you want some weight on it like that. And then we're just gonna leave it like this for a while. And
Yeah.
you'll be surprised. This is a process.
Mushrooms have a lot of water, so we're gonna just keep cooking it down and putting weight on the mushroom steaks, and then slowly add a little bit of our
Aminos and our broth and
eventually our
spices.
seasonings. Yeah.
But remember, as I always tell you guys, we try to do no oil if we don't need to. There are certain things we've learned you can't
Biscuits.
do it. Yeah, biscuits. We're gonna do another one of those. But mushroom steaks, no reason to
not necessary.
really do oil. If you take your time and you do broth and aminos and you smash it, and we're calling it seared because we want a crust.
Yeah.
We want that crispy crust.
Yeah.
And that pan is heavy, so
Yeah.
if you don't have a pan like that, get one. But if you don't have one, if you love mushrooms, you need a pan like this.
Yeah.
But if you don't have one, use the bottom of another saucepan, another frying pan. You can
Something
stack it up.
non-flammable.
Yeah, when you do it, see, this is heavy, and there will be later where we push it down, but yeah, you just need some weight to push that down. And we're doing it on high heat because we want to
that sear.
create that sear. And then we'll check it every few minutes probably, make sure if it's time to add our liquids.
Yeah.
And now that we've got most of the moisture out from that first side, the second side goes faster.
Yeah, for sure.
You have to be more patient.
That's when we
and
like to
be-
add our seasoning and aminos and stuff when they're real thirsty after we've already.
pushed out their water, then they're gonna drink our water. Turn it.
Ooh, that's what I like to see.
Now we're talking about
That's the sear I'm
searing
looking
it.
for.
Nice. Yeah. But that's beautiful. Nice. Wow, that's good. Okay. Now
Let's add some more.
let's add our spices on this side. Oh, Margo, look at the sear on those.
I know.
So we are going to now make the sauce, and we're going to take advantage of that. So
All the
let's do the onions
leftover
as
then.
we do first,
Yep.
right?
Mhm.
There, your spoon there,
Yeah.
you can stir those babies around. And because I want all that goodness from
Yeah.
there.
Just to loosen up all the
We have so much nice.
flavor.
Oh, yeah. That,
Oh, we're toasting our bread. What do you think?
I think
More time.
definitely more time. I think a little more salt.
More salt?
For sure. A little more salt. And a little more pepper maybe even. All right, Margot, it's lunchtime.
Best part. I've been waiting for this.
It's always our favorite
Yeah.
part.
Yours? Mine?
All right, are you ready?
What? I'm gonna.
We already know it's delicious.
It
because
is.
we've
I
made
know,
it
but I'm really
before.
hungry. I haven't had lunch yet.
And every time it's a little different. right?
Yeah. Do I want to use my finger or my
You
fork?
can. This end is all in one
Yeah.
piece.
You wanna?
I'm gonna get this piece right here. Fingering is always better.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. I was speechless for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know, because we have the aminos in the mushroom and they're so cooked down, I was reading that aminos, the umami flavor, that is in breast milk. And so we're born craving that flavor.
No
And
pig.
mushrooms are one of the highest foods in umami flavor.
Really?
And I love mushrooms and I crave
I love
mushrooms so
mushrooms.
much. But
I'll be honest. When I was young, though, I would
Yeah.
see my mom cooking mushrooms, and I was like, "Ew, God," you know. But I had it once, just cooked right, and
wasn't
it
that 'cause
totally
how
turned it
they
around.
looked?
How they looked, and yeah, I guess.
Because that's what I get this bold flavor of umami, and we needed that balsamic. That is so good on there.
And you know what? If someone doesn't want to do it on bread, we make bowls with this recipe. We
Yeah, we
we
do.
would do tacos. We focus on finer details like getting a really wild crumb, right? We take that very seriously, getting a good rise.
One more amazing thing is the flavor of how sourdough-like it tastes. All right, I see. I was able to break away with another bite. There's so many layers to this, and
You gotta let each ingredient develop its flavor.
It's so
really
easy,
good. You can't just
really.
throw everything in the pan at the same time. You can't do that.
Soul question.
Yes.
Margo, what's your favorite scent?
I mean, there's quite a few, but I would say absolute favorite through and through is neroli, which is orange blossoms. And I just think it's totally intoxicating, and I think it's uplifting and sensual, and I think that aroma I think neroli is a true aphrodisiac, and I just think it's so beautiful. I can't get enough.
That is, for some reason I never knew that was orange blossom.
Yeah.
Wow. Because I know when the orange blossom trees are blooming, I drive through and I'm always on my scooter going, oh my gosh, now I enjoy the red light.
Yes.
It's a beautiful scent.
Yeah.
Yeah, and scents are, like you say, it's a sensory experience.
Yeah.
So, and I know you're it's a very important part of your life.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's cool.
So, yeah, key ingredient. Yeah.
Good.
So what about you? For you, but what is a scent that you absolutely do not like?
Because it's easier, unless you really have one that's offending you, right? It's easier to say all the beautiful smells. But I have one that I really can't stand. That's a beautiful plant. And I always feel bad that I don't like it, but it absolutely makes me feel like I have to get out of the house if it's in the house.
Oh my God.
And that's the lily.
The lily.
Yeah, and it's that white lily that they bring to funerals. Maybe it's the death thing.
Maybe it's
I don't know,
association
but
with
I'm telling
death.
you,
Yeah.
and in the essential oil, it's called lang lang.
Oh, lang lang. Yeah.
Lang lang. Cannot have that
that's
on.
not my favorite at all. To be
What
honest.
is it though?
I
don't.
But
I once asked an essential oil person what it meant if I really had an aversion, and he said it probably means you need it. And I said, no, not lang lang, no. Yeah, that's a scent I really don't like.
That's interesting. I don't think about it, but now that you bring it up, I don't like it.
Interesting. Cool. Well, that's a good one. All right.